Agnus cactus from Allen's keynotes, chess tree, Verbenaceae family. For the lymphatic constitution, absent-minded, reduced power of insight, cannot recollect, has to read a sentence twice before he can comprehend. Phosphoric acid, sepia. Old sinners with impotence and glut, unmarried persons suffering from nervous debility, premature old age, melancholy, apathy, mental distraction, self contempt arising in young persons from abuse of the sexual powers, from seminal losses. Complete impotence, relaxation, flaccidity, coldness of genitalia, no sexual power or desire. Impotence after frequent attacks of gonorrhea, bad effect from suppressed gonorrhea, glut with absence of sexual desire or erections, leukorrhea transparent but staining lenin yellow, passes imperceptibly from the very relaxed parts, deficient secretion or suppression of milk in nursing women, often with great sadness, says she will die. Complaints of imaginary odor before the nose, as of herring or musk. Prevents excoriation from walking. Relations Caladium and Salincula follows well after Agnus in weakness of sexual organs or impotence. Boric materia medica, Agnus cactus, the chess tree. The most effective point of attack of Agnus upon the organism is the sexual organism. It lowers sexual vitality with corresponding mental depression and loss of nervous energy. It shows this distinctive influence is in both sexes, but is more pronounced in men. Premature old age from abuse of sexual power. History of repeated gonorrheas. A prominent remedy for sprains and strains. Gnawing, itching in all parts, especially eyes. Tachycardia caused by tobacco in neurotic young men. Mind. Sexual melancholy, fear of death, sadness with impression of speedy death, absent-minded, forgetful, lack of courage, illusion of smell, hearings, musk, nervous depression and mental forebodings. Eyes, pupils dilated, itching about eyes, photophobia, nose, odor of herring or musk, aching in dorsum, better pressure, abdomen, spleen swollen, sore, stools soft, recede, difficult, deep fissures in anus, nausea with sensation as if intestines were pressed downwards, wants to support bowels. Male. Yellow discharge from urethra, no erections, impotence, parts cold, relaxed, desire gone, scanty emission without ejaculation, loss of prostatic fluid on straining, gluty discharge, testicles cold, swollen, hard and painful. Female. Scanty menses, abhorrence of sexual intercourse, relaxation of genitals with leukorrhea, agalactia with sadness, sterility, leukorrhea staining yellow, transparent, hysterical palpitation with nosebleed. Relationship. Compare selenium, phosphoric acid, camphor, lycopodium. Dose 1st to 6th potency.